Hen, no bird. Hen, no bird.
Good boy, no bird. I didn't hear any shooting.
Nope.
Yep.
All hens.
The little roosters are all banked up somewhere then.
Yeah, they're not here.
Come on.
Or you can try to squeeze both of them in there.
Teddy. No, I know it's empty. Where's all those roosters at? See?
Man. Man. Here. Rooster!
A lot of shots fired for one bird. Yeah, ratio's not good. What, Josh? What bird?
That's why we buy shells.
I'm standing here like this. I got my remote in this hand, and this rooster. Oh.
No. Alright, I'm going that way.
Okay, he's got this one. Here, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Okay, let's go find this one now. Come on. You got him? I think we got him. Yep. Good boy, Teddy. I love it. Good job, Caleb.
I don't think I hit anything.
Who shot that one then?
I shot 3 shots.
You shot him? Okay.
Yeah, I didn't in.
I had a dog malfunction on the second bird.
Had a dog malfunction?
I was on my way to easing the trigger back when I took a dog to the knee.
Ah.
Oh, he's birdie right here. Let's go. Oh!
Come on, Teddy, come on.
Yeah.
Scooped him right out.
Oh. Yeah, there's nothing in there.
I think it looks like he got butchered.
I don't know.
Go get that one. Where is he? Find him.
I don't even know where Teddy is. Over there?
Boy, he's a long ways away. He might be trailing him though.
Could be. There he is. He doesn't have anything. Nolan found.
You found one.
I found a bird.
You found it?
He found a bird.
What about the second one though?
I don't know if it was the second one.
No, this would have been the first bird.
I bet you he was trailing it and it ran out of the field.
Yeah.
Because he wouldn't just run away like that. When I was looking for that first one, I saw the back of a rooster.
Well, here, look at here.
You found one?
Here's a wing.
Yeah, well.
Is it fresh?
Yeah.
But I saw a rooster and I went down to pick it up because I thought it was the bird and it took off.
What?
Yeah. So I just found a rooster. That bird, Teddy.
Where is he? Find him. Find him in here.
Right here, right here, right here. Got him.
Right on line, you're just a little deep. There we go, good job.
Stone dead.
Good sniffing. Good dog, Sam. Good job. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, that's you're supposed to do that.
What you talking about? He's tired.
That was rugged.
Yeah. Teddy, I see it right here. I got it. That's the second one, right?
Yep, got it both.
Got it both? Yep. Let's go. And hand. Oh my. And
$250 an acre. This is a rent check. Look at that little mouse.
The first one I was going to shoot, down it goes. The second one I was going to shoot just as I pulled the trigger down it goes.
I did that to Nolan on one too.
Which is fine.
Oh, Jesus. Fetch him up, Teddy. Right here. Right here. Here, good boy. Give him, give him, give him.
Whackety whack whack.
I think there were a couple more whacks in there, but yeah.
That might be a tough eating bird right there.
Teddy's got it. Teddy, right here. Fetch him up. Right here. Right here. Right here. Fetch him up. Teddy, Teddy, fetch him up. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Good boy. Good boy. Got it. And that's the number. We should have 12 right now. Yeah. It improved significantly right there.